guys, day 3. Finally here to the, where's it, Ouzoud? Yeah. Ouzoud waterfall. Hello. Guys, we just have to go down this way. People are struggling to walk down, but for us it's fine, innit? Because we're from Nepal, bro. This ain't nothing, bro.
This is why you live in the mountains, innit?
We've been doing this, man. This is nothing. What is this? I don't know what this is, but this is mad, isn't it? So, what are these called? These little markers, isn't it? Yeah, markers. So there's little markers all over, halfways. They got everything here. Had to grab this, innit? Yeah, this is nice. Ouzoud waterfall. What is dirham? Hello, brother. Merhaba, merhaba. The water is hitting us. We are right next to the waterfall. The water is hitting us. Yes, brother. Wow, man, beautiful, beautiful. Whoa. Side.
The bag with the nuts.
No, I want. What a view though, man. In a hotel right now, having olives and that with pickles. Having olives with pickles. What's this, bro?
Bread. What do you want me to say?
Bro, I know it's the bread, but what kind of bread? Come on, bro.
Moroccan bread, isn't it?
Moroccan bread.
I need to wash my hands.
Quick pit stop. We're heading back to hotel. We've got 1 more hour left. It's been an eventful day, man. A lot of walking, a lot of steps in. But overall, very good day. Very, very good day. Right now we're having Red Bull each and mint tea for some energy, bruv. Energy. Because we are knackered. We are knackered. Anyways, shukran. I see you on the next one. Not next one. Shukran. That's it. Bro, look, it's your friend. Minty finished, and I'm energized again still.
Tea, innit?
Yeah. But do you really think it's tea or just a psychological thing?
It's not psychological.
You really think it's the tea? So now when I go back to the UK, I'm only having mint tea. No coffee, nothing.
The stuff they put in it, bro.
Yeah, but I need to.
Plant.
Yeah, I need to find out what they're putting in it though. Wait, hold on. Let me show them the plant. Yeah, this is a mad thing, bro. I'm gonna start growing mint, bro, in my house. They put the whole thing in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, bro. What happens if I eat this?
Nothing. It's mint.
No, I'm not trying to do that. Yesterday we only slept like how much, bro? Like 4 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday we only slept like 4 hours.
Oh, he's looking for us, I think.
Oh, I think the guy is looking for us. Hotel room. Had a very long day today. Luckily, I was wearing a vest, so I felt okay today. And drank a lot of water, a lot of mint tea. Didn't get enough sleep last night. And yeah, quickly gonna shower up now, get changed, and head out for dinner. And hopefully hit the markets if they're still open to get some souvenirs. We're flying back to London tomorrow, and hoping to have a chill day tomorrow. For the time we stay here. And I hope we do have a chill time tomorrow, but it never goes to plan. So yeah, let's see what happens, and for now let's go out and have dinner. Let me quickly show you guys what I can see from my room actually. I think we tried to book that one actually, but it was a bit too expensive and we don't have money like that. We got our shoes on today.
Here we are again.
Yeah, here we are again. We got our shoes on.
Deja vu.
I hope they let us in today, man. They let us in Buddha Bar. Really nice settings, good experience, and excited to experience it. So for starters, we got we got calamari, and we got vegetable spring rolls. Can't really see much because of the lighting in it, but I can see very well, and it looks amazing. I'm really excited to dive right in.
What do you think about the stars?
Yeah, so starters, obviously I want to start off with what's this, calamari? Yeah, calamari, bruv, like cooked to perfection. Obviously both of them cooked to perfection. The sauce and everything, loved it, man, loved it. I think we need to go Buddha Bar in London as well. Never been there, first time here. Thought we'd try it, and it's really good so far. Just waiting for the mains now. You can't see properly, but I got Wagyu beef. These are the sauces, and it came with vegetables and what did they say this was? Korean salad or something. What did you get?
I completely lost it now.
I don't know what he got, but he got something in it. Back to the hotel. Buddha Bar was amazing. Good food, good experience. And yeah, last night in Morocco, man. How you feeling, mate?
Same old, innit?
Yeah.
We're going back.
Early morning tomorrow, hit the market, grab some souvenirs, and straight to the airport. I've been hearing a lot about this airport. Apparently we need to get there like 2-3 hours early, innit? But hopefully it's not that bad. Even if it is, can't do anything. And yeah, if you guys made it here, thank you so much, and I hope you like the videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Merhaba.